everybody, welcome back to Seat 60 Hotshot Adventures. Just wanted to say, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday, and we got New Year's coming up. Just want to take a couple of minutes here to talk about 2025. Plan is the same plan it is every day. Try and take over the world, as they would say from Pinky and the Brain. Yeah, I guess you can say we grew up with Acme. Not much. You're gonna be running the, still got the auto shop. We'll be running that, you know, posting up videos for fixes and how-tos as we come across them and as we have time for. But try and get stuff done that way, shop, and then we do have plans for buying a 2-post lift that's supposed to go in the called the barn shop. It's already got the portable quick jacks for the garage, but first I gotta get the floor demoed out, and I gotta re-pour a floor that's like 8 inches thick for the barn, so see what happens there, because I know how expensive that is. For the towing business, same as always, checking, you know, finding loads where I can find them. Facebook, Craigslist, various other sites out there, and there's a bunch of various different apps out there available too, depending on what you're looking to get into. If you got like a van, box truck, there's something called Dolly, there's something called Roadie. That's a lot of LTL stuff, less than a truckload, like that's furniture, all sorts of little things that would be perfect for just a pickup, small van, box truck. Good apps for that. I did the Dolly thing for a minute. Didn't work out for me. Was not convenient. Wasn't making, well, made money, but at the same time I was spending more money in gas and trying to get to where, because all the gigs were 30-40 minutes from me, because the Dolly app is more Cleveland, Ohio based. In that area, I'm west. But nope, we'll be out here doing the usual. Campers, boats, planes, trains, whatever I can get my hands on that I can get moved. And then the new venture for 2025 is I'm getting into some trailer rental. So when these trailers are just sitting, I got them listed up there for being able to rent. A couple of those sites are Tolos and Neighbors Trailers are the 2 sites I'm using right now until I get around to building my Google profile and building up a website. And then for that, looking into still figuring out the whole invoicing on that. A lot of people are using Square. Others are using mytrailers.rentals, and another one is Automate Boss. There are a couple other platforms that automate the whole rental process, the invoicing, the payment processing, the deposit refunds. Also, those sites also will help you with, you know, that website creation as part of their platform. So, lots going on. And of course, you know, taking care of the homesteads, taking care of family, always important. So, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna end the video there, and we'll see you on the next video sooner than later.